In our Finding Hope series, we've spent the year exploring the challenges of mental health and seeking solutions. As we told you, Idaho has the 6th highest suicide rate in the country. It's part of the reason why St. Luke's health system is engaging in a $3.4 million research study to determine how to prevent death by suicide. As 6 on Your Side's Jessica Taylor explains.
The new $3.4 million research study within St. Luke's will compare 2 methods of preventative care called safety planning.
A 6-step process that involves writing down things like the kinds of feelings and thoughts you may have if you're feeling suicidal, the kinds of people you could reach out to if you needed help.
One version of the safety planning being studied involves follow-up calls and text messages from the Idaho Suicide Prevention Hotline.
It's my strong opinion that follow-up contacts really are helpful and really are therapeutically effective, but we'll have to wait and see until the research data comes out in about 3 years.
The hotline has been doing follow-up calls since their launch in 2012 and have since added follow-up calls to discharged patients from emergency departments and community crisis centers. However, this study allows them to provide a smoother care transition for people, so it's not up to the patient to reach out.
People that are enrolled in these discharge follow-up programs tend to do better at getting that important care when they discharge.
The study also comes with a grant for the hotline, so they can hire more staff solely dedicated to the follow-ups.
For those folks receiving the ordinary follow-ups that we do, they don't know who's going to be calling them, but for this study there will be dedicated staff delivering those follow-up contacts, so there will be some sense of continuity in terms of who's going to be making the contact with that discharged patient. So I think that will be helpful.
Jessica Taylor, 6 on Your Side.
Nearly 1,500 patients will be participating in the study, and enrollment begins in spring of 2020. If you or anyone you know may be struggling, you can reach the Idaho Suicide Prevention Hotline